All right, guys, I'm gonna make a sauce that goes with the salmon cakes. And so first, this is mayo and sour cream. This is what we're gonna start out with. The recipe was for a serving, so it's 1 tablespoon of mayo and 1 tablespoon of sour cream. But I went ahead and did roughly 4 tablespoons of each. The sour cream looks like it has a little more because it does. The container was almost empty, so, but let's just pretend they're both 4 tablespoons each. So, if you want to make a bigger batch, if you end up liking it. So, that is an equal part. So then I'm going to go ahead and add it to a container altogether. All right, so we got all that mixed in here. And your last ingredient is Sriracha sauce. So basically what you're gonna do is put 2 teaspoons for however many tablespoons. So like, let's say you were making a single serving and you did 1 tablespoon of mayo, 1 tablespoon of sour cream, then you would do 2 teaspoons of the Sriracha. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that amount. Mine was 4 tablespoons, so I'm gonna add 4 times 2, so 8 teaspoons. Okay? I just wanted to kind of just give you roughly how it works. And there you go, guys. I went ahead and mixed this all together. It is a little spicy, so you could really play around with this. If you like it less spicy, use less Sriracha sauce. If you like it spicier, put in more. Like I said, when I first made this, I just did a single serving. But I liked it so much that today I made 4 servings. But the single serving recipe is 1 tablespoon of mayo, 1 tablespoon of sour cream, and 2 teaspoons of Sriracha sauce or some type of chili sauce. Okay, and then you guys, if you like it, you can make more and double it, triple it, quadruple it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching.